Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here. In today's video, we're going to be bringing you butterfly sword application, specifically the Gondal application from the butterfly sword form. But before we do that, I need you to go over to the boxes. Please click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support and have a great day. Release step Gondal to cover the round swing. Open up with Chun. Cut into the bicep. Check. Cut the shoulder. Come back, check lop. Cut the neck. Release step Gondal to cover the round swing. Open up with Chun. Cut into the bicep. Check. Cut the shoulder. Come back, check lop. Cut the neck. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.